Hello and welcome to another Academic Success Center video tutorial here at the University of Dubuque. Today we will cover installing the Microsoft Office 365 suite. Students are expected to use Microsoft Office when completing assignments to ensure that assignments can be opened by professors on the university's campus. Luckily, Microsoft Office is included with your tuition. When you're ready to download Microsoft Office, the best place to start is email.dbq.edu. We'll sign in with the email provided by the university. Once we get to our email, we'll click the 9 dots in the upper left-hand corner, and then we will click Office 365. Then we will click on Install Office, and we'll select Office 365 Apps. Below, you should see the download start. When it's finished, we want to click on officesetup.exe. At this point, you'll click Run. Because I'm on one of the computers provided by the University of Dubuque, I do not have administrator privileges, so I can't install this. Luckily, all University of Dubuque computers that you can access will already have Microsoft Office installed. Once you click Run, you'll need to follow the directions and allow the installation, and then activate Office. It should automatically sign you in with your University of Dubuque account. If you are signed in with a different account, you may not have access to the included programs. Be sure to sign in with your University of Dubuque account. After you've completed the prompts provided by the Office Setup application, you should be ready to get to work. If you do need some extra help getting to that final step, feel free to stop by the Academic Success Center on the second floor of the Charles C. Myers Library. Or if you can't stop in, you're free to contact us at asc@dbq.edu or call 563-589-3262. Thank you for tuning in for another Academic Success Center tutorial video brought to you by the University of Dubuque. Have a wonderful day.